In this tutorial, we will give you a quick introduction to the online interface of DX Promote so that you can get comfortable with the tool. You will learn where things are, how to perform specific tasks, and overall, how you can efficiently manage your media. To start, locate and open the email received from DFS CS Team with the subject of DFS SSO Account Activation Action Required. This email was delivered to you after your account was set up by Dover Fueling Solutions. If you can't locate the email, please check your spam folders. If you still cannot locate this email, please contact your sales or distribution representative for assistance. Open the email and locate the provided username. Then navigate to the supplied URL and log into the DX Promote portal to set up your account. Quick tip: it is a good idea to bookmark this URL for future use. Once you have logged in and followed the prompts to set up your new password, you will be directed to the DX Promote landing page. In the upper right of the screen, you will see your login name, and just to the left of that, a drop-down to select your organization. Open the drop-down menu to see the organization or organizations that are aligned to your account and make a selection. Confirm the change of organization notification, and you are now ready to start managing the media at the selected location. Before we continue, let's get familiar with the four main tabs of the DX Promote Solution landing page. Those are the Media Set, Library, Reports, and Sites. The first thing you see when you log into DX Promote is the Media Set page or landing page. You can think of this page as a dashboard view of all your created media sets. Its primary purpose is to organize all the previously created media sets associated with a specific organization, and to allow you to easily identify status and key attributes associated with those media sets. Quickly perform key actions like identifying and solving errors, editing existing media sets, and creating new media sets with just a few clicks of your mouse. The four large tiles on the top of this page show how many active and inactive media sets you currently have, as well as those with issues or errors. We will address errors and how to resolve them a little later in the video. Each of these four larger tiles also serves as a filter to quickly narrow down the list of media sets below. There is also a search field that can be used to quickly search by name, media type, or tags. And in the center, there is a Create New Media Set button to initiate a new media set. We will touch on this a little later in the video. Check out the links in the video description below if you want to jump ahead. Moving back to the list of media sets for your selected organization, you can see several previously created media sets associated. The tool allows you to quickly organize your page via sort options and items per page, and also to navigate between pages. You can also easily delete old or unused media sets by checking this box and clicking the Delete button. From this view, each media set is listed with a number of key attributes. First, let's look at type and screen size. Type will either be A for Anthem, with a screen size of either 27-inch for our premium Anthem UX dispenser or 12-inch for the newer AX12 dispenser, or O for our Ovation dispensers with a screen size of 10.4 inches. The media type is represented by a play button icon for video ads or a landscape icon for static ads. Since the 27-inch Anthem UX dispenser is the only dispenser that has dual media zones, it's important to know that video and static, non-video ads can play in the upper region of the Anthem screen, while only static ads can be displayed in the lower region. So, for the 27-inch Anthem UX dispenser, you would have one media set for your video and static ads on the upper portion of your screen, and another for your static ads on the lower portion of your screen. Next are the dates the media is set to be active, and the duration and size of the combined videos or static ads in the media set. The status tells us if this specific media set is either active, shown with a green dot indicating that the media set is currently playing at the site, inactive, shown with a yellow dot indicating it is either a draft media set, outside the run dates, or not assigned to a specific site, or error, shown by the red dot indicating an issue with the media playback on one or multiple fueling points. And finally, the Edit and Details buttons. Edit is where you would go to change anything about an existing media set, from the name or daily schedule to the ads, their order in the playlist, or number of times in which the ads play. We will cover this in detail later in this video. The Details button is a good way to get additional information on the assigned sites, time slots, tagging modification history, fueling point details, and error information. Next, let's explore the library page. The library page is best described as a central repository for all your uploaded content. Any videos or static ads that you would like to include in a playlist would first need to be added to the library. The library allows you to view, sort, and manage all your media in a single location. Like the Media Set page, the library page also allows you to quickly organize your view with sort options. Sort by asset type, recently viewed, file name, creator, or file size. Page view preferences allow rearranging the content, grid or list view, and adjusting the number of items per page. Here you can also delete by simply checking this box and clicking the delete button. There is also a search field that can be used to quickly search by name, media type, or asset tags, which can be a very useful organization tool as your library begins to grow. So, use those tags. Looking at the list of media in your library, you may already have some pre-populated assets to get you started. If not, Dover Fueling Solutions has you covered. We have developed a content starter pack that you can download from our online learning management system at the website shown below, which you can also find in the video description. Once you have media on your PC, you will need to upload it to your library. First, choose the appropriate dispenser type from the drop-down menu. Then, either drag and drop your files into the new media location or select the files from your PC and choose Open. Your new media will immediately begin to load at the top of the page. Clicking on the Details button will open a new window which gives you information about this specific media file. To see a preview of this asset, choose the Preview icon at the top of the page. If previewing a video asset, click Play to run the video. You also have the option to download the media to save a copy to your PC if someone else loaded the content and you do not have the original source file. As I mentioned earlier, tagging is a great way to help organize your media. You can add tags to media assets by simply entering a tag here and pressing Enter. You will see the successful tag show up below, like this. To delete a tag from an asset, just click the X. If that asset is assigned to a specific media set, it will be listed here. Next, let's review the Reports page. The Reports page is where you can run customized reports, which includes details of the specific media that has been uploaded, as well as key attributes associated with the playlist. Here, you can get two specific reports. The first is a Proof of Play report, also known as a POP or POP report, which includes detailed information about the content that has played, the fueling points on which it played, and a date and timestamp of playback. The second is the Aggregated report, which includes the number of times each piece of content played at the site each day for the past 7 days, totaling up the weekly number of plays for each piece of content. Each report requires a small number of inputs that are entered in the left panel. Once submitted, all reports will be shown in the Downloads panel on the right side of the screen. And once the reports have been generated, you can easily download and view the reports by clicking the Download icon. For more details on how to generate, download, and read reports, see the links in the video description below to jump ahead. Lastly, the Sites tab is where you manage your sites and create site groupings, giving you the ability to manage media more effectively across multiple sites. This page has two main views, Site or Site Group. The default view on this page shows the Site view. The Site view will list all the active sites aligned with your organization. It will also give the status of the media onboarding as either not ready, letting you know the DX Promote software has not been installed at this site, or complete when the software has been installed. By clicking on any of the sites listed, you will activate the Site Details panel. You can navigate the Details panel along the top. This section gives you a deeper view into the site onboarding status, including the video ads, static ads, car wash, traffic, and weather features. The status of each individual fuel point and data gateway, also called the edge box, allowing you to identify issues, as well as the last reported status for any fueling points that are offline. You can check media sets that are assigned to that specific site, any site groups which that specific site is aligned with, fuel grade promotions that are activated at that specific site, and history of updates in the past 7 days. Please note that you will only see features that are unique to the dispenser type. The Site Group view will list all the active site groupings for your organization. By clicking on a site group, you will activate the Details panel, listing out all the sites associated with that group, as well as their media type, name, and city where located. Clicking on Media Sets will show you all the active video and static media sets playing on this site group. Last, the Site Group view also shows the history of changes made in the last 7 days. That was a quick introduction to the DX Promote tool and how it is structured, where to find information, and generally, how to manage your media. Let's summarize the 4 main pages of the DX Promote tool, the key functions, and the primary actions performed on each. The Media Set page gives you a quick overview of all your media sets, identifying those that are active, inactive, and those with errors that need your attention. Some of the key actions performed from this page include researching and solving errors, creating new media sets, and editing existing media sets. The Library page is where you can view all the video and static ads that are available for you to include in your media sets, giving you a simple way to sort and view the creative content as well as the associated details of each asset. Some of the key actions performed from this page include adding new videos and static ads, deleting old ads, and placing tags on ads in the library. The Reports page is where you can see the details of what media has run on your sites within the past 30 days. Some of the key actions performed from this page include run Proof of Play report, run aggregated report for the past 7 days, and download reports to a CSV file. The Sites page gives you a detailed view of the site groups and individual sites associated with your organization, including onboarding and fueling point status. Some of the key actions performed from this page include creating new site groups, adding sites to existing groups, identifying fueling point issues, and adding fuel grade promotions.